tuomeddwa akaziki
akasho
akano kabadde
okukola ku show nga kuliko abayimbi bennyini ekyo nkimanyi muludde nze njogera kituufu
imbako at least today.
First, twasooka ne tulaba a photo shoot, sneak videos, and even before that, twasooka ne tulaba nga mutudde basatu nga mukutakula as if mwali mwina kye muwandika ne tulowooza nti mukomyewo kola music, new music.
Yali shopping list.
That was the journey.
Yali shopping list.
Yeah, that was the journey.
Nali sina butungulu, sindi nga talina nyanya. Nga Lilian talina garlic. So try to wandika shopping list.
So everything that we needed to cook this up, that was the day, yes, we must have club.
Coming back to it, what does it mean? This is a reunion to get a mini concert. What does it mean for you fans, you guys also in particular?
I think this is for us. Okay, I speak for me as Lilian Babazi, because I was on stage at some point. I was like just looking at the girls like, eh? Yeah. Like what? This is really happening. I think it's such a beautiful moment to just bring back a time that we really enjoyed and a time that we really wanted people to also remember and reminisce. Our music is timeless. It doesn't, no matter how many years go by, it's music that sounds like it was recorded yesterday. So for me, I feel like it was just a good moment for all of us to just, I don't know, experience each other again.
Yes. There were lots of moments when we wanted to pinch each other, like I had to pinch Lilian. I'm like, yeah, like this is actually happening. Sorry.
It's okay.
Yeah, so it was so special. It was special. And then the moment that people who sang word for word, you know, just knowing to Jine Miaka Jonna about what they no love, you know, because a lot of artists just fall off. But that Bajukira Frisky, Bajukira Mtima Gwange, it was like, oh my God, these guys have loved us, for the last 15 years. That's, I don't know. I can't explain that. It was beautiful.
15 years, later, mo bouncing the back. You guys to connect back. Any like Zibza or the Mafunamo, you guys connecting back. No kubanga nyimba muchazi jukira.
Ninga, my question is, why do you always look for that other thing which is on the other side?
Until 15 years, you guys are not going together.
Well, we're not going to lie about it, because it's been a while since we've performed some of these songs. There's some songs on the playlist, for example, when we was going through it, I was telling the girls, no, people don't know this. I don't think they know this. And definitely having to remember the lyrics, because this is 15 years. Each of us has had, we have our own solo careers. We've done all these shows here and there. So it's not easy. Sometimes you actually, there's points when I would remember instead Lilian's verse, or I remember her lyrics, but like you get lost and you're like, oh God, I think I'm singing somebody's lyrics. So of course that one is there. Even if you know the lyrics, at one point you just get there when you crisscross. Of course that one has to happen. It's 15 years. And I'm just happy for one thing that we was able to put this together in a very short period of time and in between schedules, because that was the hardest part of it.
Lwaki lwasinze obbawo obuzibu to memorize and to put in order?
Frisky.
I am literally there with you.
It's the first song we did. It's the first song we did.
Oh yeah.
It was the first song we ever recorded. So Makacha waliwe nyimba nyingi. So Frisky mbadde do performing. So and then we kind of mixed the remix and the original song. So I was remembering while singing like
Remember the remix had Peter Miles. Yes. This Peter Miles alongside Blue 3. This now we don't.
So it was.
It was Frisky.
Yeah, Frisky was actually one of the hardest songs to remember to sing.
Yeah, and yet it was the first song. So
there's a moment when mwabadde ku stage and Jackie n'ayogera ku luyimba olwa Titi Tabel.
Yes.
Agamba
Kancha Chanche. Yes. Kati twaite tuyimba nko mu Luganda. I don't know about these girls, but me, like even at church oba ku somero twaite tuyimba mu Luzungu. So we came together. It was our first time okutula and tuigiza Oluganda, and Titi was very strict about you have to, you know, if it's kanche, no kanche chanche, or you understand like accent, yeah, like okunagamba baganda baja banyigira if you don't sing this thing like Muganda. So just trying to cover our English into ebyo bigambo chali hard, and that's what we're talking about. Like this song was so hard to record. It was not about the notes, but that was easy. But Oluganda really luzibu for all of us.
The intonation of the Luganda. Yes. Like, you know, in Luganda you can say one word, you can say amazi, or you can say amazi. So you have to know how
to speed, you know, and the music and the letters. So, you know, you could easily mess up a beautiful story.
Exactly.
Kati ati no kanyugamu omulugwala kwegamba. Bano basula mu studio because of me.
Yes, none of us is Muganda.
None of us is.
From the north, from the east.
They were
you
easier.
know, so
I think they got it much faster than I did.
I had it harder than all of you.
It was Lillian, yes. Lillian
I had it harder than all of you.
I was on point.
You call yourself the stubbornest mubona.
Alina fujo just chiri awo what DNA about I don't know. I'm still trying to think about it.
And your name is Sandy.
I'm telling you.
and
Achawali just Chanonya. Lulibolo.
Simanyaga kuingia mu interview ya fyaga ngamba jai
preparing for
concert.
Concert in Jamma. So and, we from rumors over we can put it right. Larry has done a great job about you guys.
Oh, absolutely. Larry has carried, as I've known him for like 4 years, and he has carried this dream. Ngatambula, even with the clothes that we're wearing and the designs, bulichimu for the last 4 years, trying to get us to sit down on a table and talk. And I think his approach was nice because approach ya soka bali batukatanga brands echo chagana because they got Duffin, who is my manager, ne agibesi ne timu yona, ne timu ya Jackie, ne timu ya Nbongere. Kata we batula tibategera chemistry jetulina as people. Larry natutuzanga abakazi nti kati natuka mu room nagamba mwogere nga mmwe. And that approach made the magic. That was it. Natule come.
Network
yeah, like everything.
We had the
fight
first
and
aid
shout
outside.
at each other until at the end, and it's like it's about the show. So you want to come
and
now we're
at the
ready.
end of the day, this is about business as well for us. We are grown women now. We understand that we have families to look after. We have our careers. We have a brand that we also literally just left like that, which people are still yearning for. Look at the crowd that was there today. So today was just to remind us as well, like, yes, Blue 3. You know, you're still here, like everybody still loves the brand.
Lillian,
yeah.
Did it like get you so emotional to an extent, like to a stage, even went emotional?
Yeah. Yeah.
Two things. Her eyes are very sensitive to light.
Yes.
So because of the light, still she can get tears sometimes.
But
also, yes, it was emotional.
I was emotional because. Let me tell you.
I was like, you know.
Nowadays I had so much. Like I was on stage and it was like my mind was like blowing out of. Like I even forgot my lyrics sometimes.
Yes.
Because I was like, "Woo,
it's happening."
Oh, you know, and I believe that we have a beautiful journey ahead of us. I'm just blessed that God has still given us life up to today to do this thing. You know, to get back together.
Right now, book them for gig, wedding, party.
Yeah. We're doing the concert first. We want to focus, focusing on the concert. After that, we'll decide where we want the brand to go.
Yeah.
But right now, our mind is all on a reunion concert.
Yes.
Yes.
This one was a teaser.
Yes.
A teaser for people to know that the
brand is
still able to work. Yes.
Now we can walk into the sponsors' offices and all that.
Yeah.
We just have an activation. Yes.
Okay, Bruce 3 once yalimu mikono ja
Steve Jean.
Bruce 3 once yalimu mikono ja Steve Jean. Then it negena kumu alibai. Like you guys before doing this reunion, those two people like Edinya Tibafe and Batlay Mina before coming to us.
The name Blue Three. Yes, it started from somewhere, but it's ours. So nobody's claiming anything. It's a name that is.
We actually sat down and decided we're going to be
yeah.
called Blue 3. It's not
What
like
was the
someone
first name
gave
we,
it to
we
us.
decided? Axis.
Oh my God.
Oh, what? How many names did we call ourselves?
We had
Three
like
Blue.
This, like,
Yeah.
We had a whole.
We tried putting Lillian,
Oh my
Lee,
God,
Jassy,
every name,
Legacy,
like,
like
tried.
Lillian, Jackie, and Cindy. Like
We had different names we were coming up with. So
Yeah.
Blue 3 Black
Is
ladies,
ours.
beautiful
It's
ladies,
just
but
ours.
Uganda.
Yeah.
Ladies and Uganda was consistent. Bootylicious can be there.
It is
Black
negotiable.
Can be there. Beautiful can be there.
Yeah.
Boss ladies can be there. You know,
Yeah.
like
But-
all that.
The name is ours.
Yeah.
Yes.
Beautiful
ladies from Uganda.
Yeah,
Yes.
beautiful
And
ladies
and the
from
name
Uganda.
belongs to us because a lot of people thought the name still belongs to Steve Jean did not own it. He let us own it. Yes, so the name is
What do you
ours.
have to say about Steve? If you were to talk about Steve.
We are so grateful. We are so grateful for today standing there just proves his dream. You
Yes,
know,
yeah, exactly.
because we came
I
from
think
the
he's happy wherever he is.
I hope he's happy. I really hope Lerote Tumuswaziza because he started a brand and he dreamt big
Yeah.
in a time that no promoter was dreaming big. You
Yeah.
understand? In our very first year, we got nominated for a Cora Award. We got to open for Africa Cup of Nations. We got a
Nations
tour in
in Ghana.
Nigeria and in the US and in the UK.
Ghana,
like in
everywhere,
Ghana,
Benin,
like,
we're
like there's
everywhere.
no other East African artist who has gotten
Yeah.
that chance apart from say the Diamonds and stuff. You know?
That was a long
Swaziza
time
Ledo.
ago.
Yes, in our time.
Our time.
Yeah.
So,
Yes.
fast forward, that was in your time. Now we have Warafiki, it's under Fenon.
Yes.
And we're seeing the attitude of the Ruth Reed
Yes.
Soka.
Yes.
You guys seeing Steve Jean trying to bring back, starting afresh.
Yeah.
And it's
Still
Warafiki.
the dream.
Yes.
I mean, for Steve, he's still going to dream about artists. You know, Blue 3 is not something that he can bring back again, but he can also, you know,
Start a whole new thing.
build someone else, and we have no problem with that. You know,
I see them and,
Yeah.
and I feel good. I see
I
them
know.
and I
I was
see.
about to
Yeah.
say the
I'm
same
like,
thing.
oh, like they're like us when we just started
They were
out.
just-
Your concept.
Did we
Sorry?
call them?
It would be beautiful.
I actually don't know them, me as Lillian.
Personally.
I don't know them. I just heard about them like recently.
Yes.
So they also need to do their work first.
You're right. Okay, Jack.
I know.